Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram updates. And today's Instagram update tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply share your Instagram video to Snapchat. So easy. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are bringing it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, head over to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and make sure you update your Instagram into the latest version. And having get to your Play Store in Android phone or App Store on your iPhone, next thing you need to do is to click on search icon right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in Instagram right here and click on search. So it's going to take you right here. So you have to make sure you click on update right here. After you have successfully updated your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. So it's going to take you to your Instagram newsfeed right here. So you can decide to share any video from Instagram now into your Snapchat with this new update. And for you to do that, first thing first, make sure you click on here. And this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you click on Snapchat right here. So Snapchat is requesting permission to send you notification. Click on allow. Then turn on the notification on and go back. The next thing you need to do is to select the contact that you want to send it to. So I'm going to select this contact right here and this one. Once you select the contact, hit on send and the video will be sent to those contacts. Just like what you see right here, send a chat. So you can click on here. So just like so, you can see the video has been shared into Snapchat contact right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.